Hey guys, welcome to another fresh video of my channel, and in this video I will talk about the channel art changing problem of YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel and you try to change your channel art, which is available here, you can see my channel art, and if you try to change it, sometimes you have a problem and you can't change it. So in this video I will talk about how to solve that problem and how to change the channel art of your channel. So it's very easy, but it's a problem. Okay, so here you can see, if I try to edit my channel art, what you can see here, you can see I tap on edit, and here it is showing, in order to select an item from your online storage, please sign in. And if I tap on the sign in, here you can see nothing happens. Okay, so this is the problem while changing the channel art. So how to solve this? Now I will talk about that, how to solve this. Just what you have to do, I am from the browser and I am using Chrome basically, and what you have to do, you have to just go to the settings of your browser. From here, let's go to the settings. Then you have to go to the site settings, and here you will find a settings cookies, and from here what you have to do, you have to just block third-party cookies that prevent third-party websites from saving and reading cookie data. So what you have to do, you have to just disable third-party cookies, and it's disabled. Okay, so it will not block third-party cookies. Just now you have to back, and now if you tap on the edit and try to edit your channel art, then what you will see, you can edit your channel art. You can see here, select a photo from your computer, okay, or your photos gallery option available. So I can now edit my channel art. So this is the method, and this is very easy trick to solve the channel art changing problem which some YouTuber face. Okay, so if you have a YouTube channel, try this method to solve your channel art changing problem. And I will end this video now, and if you have any question regarding this method, you can ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer all of your questions. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get interesting videos like this. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.